What's up? I'm ATLANNA, and I was blessed enough to be sent the new SailorMoon and Colourpop collab, so that's what I'm gonna give you guys a little insight in today. So I've kind of unwrapped half of it and then didn't use the other half, so I'm going to show you the things that I haven't opened yet, and then yeah. The blushes have little Luna on there. All of the writing on the packaging is holographic, and when you open the actual packaging, there's a little hologram on the front of it. This one is a matte one. It doesn't have any shimmer in it. I like shimmery things because I like being shiny, but this is just the matte with the little Luna imprint on the inside of it. The other one that I did open that I did use, and it's what I have on right now, is this one. It's the Cutie Eye? Is that what it's called? Cutie Eye, or Catty Eye. Catty, one of those. I can't read cursive. So this is the pink. As you can see, there's a lot of shimmers in it. This is the one I used. It's so fucking pretty. Fucking love it. And these are the boxes that come with the blushes. Everything in this package, like, have a thing with Luna. I love her so fucking much. Also, look at the earrings. They're moons to match. To match. They're from Avocado Pans on Instagram, so check them out. This is the packaging that the glitters come in. Moonlight Legend. And oh gosh, okay. It's pink. Moon Prism Power, which is purple. One thing I like about these is that they have the little gap so it doesn't dry out, because this is very liquidy, as you can see. It's very wet. So this is one of those products that would probably like be in my Colourpop collection for a while and just end up drying out. Look at them. Look. The lid is holographic. Fucking amazing. So the Moonlight bundle. Well, they both have the same little. Wait, no, they don't. Moon Tiara, which that's the one I have on my lip right now. And then the Moonlight pack has Bunhead and SailorMoon. So this is SailorMoon and this one is Bunhead. Just the packaging makes me not want to use it. The SailorMoon palette. This is the box to the palette. As you can see, it's very holographic. There's the outline of SailorMoon. There's the SailorMoon X Colourpop. You know, you can see it on the box. This is the funniest. I know everybody's seen this gif. Everybody has. SailorMoon and her heart eyes, and she's like, oh, you can see I got into the shiny stuff already. But this palette is mostly shimmers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 3 mattes, which is Miracle Romance, Moon Castle, and then Twilight Flash. Those are the 3 mattes. But then the rest are these really pretty shimmery shades. My 2 favorite in here, which I'm wearing 3 shades out of this palette. The Love is at the corner of my eyes at the bottom. The Tuxedo Rose is in the middle. I guess I'm wearing 4 then. Luna is also in the middle. I kind of mixed the 2 because I couldn't find like a shade that I actually liked. And then the major colors that I used is Miracle Romance, because that is the matte and that is the purple one, and I'm obsessed with it.
beat the fuck out of my dick so goddamn hard that I can't even feel my left